people. So, starting with removing the wiper blade, you're going to want to lift the arm. I like to use a little screwdriver or something. You're just going to want to pop this lever open. Now what that's going to do is it's going to allow you to disengage the blade from the arm. Okay, we're going to carefully put this back down. So as you can see, we have the wiper blade here, the insert is torn, and we have the new rubber insert that you would be putting into the car. So when you do order inserts from Lexus, you will receive them as this. It's going to look like this. It's just going to be the rubber insert. And what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to separate the old insert from the blade. I can show you that right over here. So I like to start on this end. You see I'm going to pull back the old insert. And what holds the insert together are these two wires. Now I'm going to separate them from the blade. Okay, so I have them side by side, this being the new one. And what you're going to want to do is remove the old insert. You're going to want to reinstall it in the same groove that it was on the old one. Just like so. I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side here. Run my finger across the groove. There you go. So at this point, you're ready to reinstall it into the blade, making sure the wires don't fall out. This end here is going to lock right into the blade, so that avoids the insert from falling out. Just like so. And that's locked in place. And that's your insert replaced and ready for action. Installation is a reverse of removal. We're going to take the blade, position it right into the arm. We're going to slide it up. And that's going to allow you to push down the lock. And there you have it. Easy as that.